Hello, welcome to aonlinetraining.com. Hey guys, now I'm teaching how to animate in the Animate CC. A same process in Adobe Flash Professional. So I have this design to give patterns. Basically, I'm animate the box for 50% online sale, so you can use as the banner as pop-up ads on your online shopping. So I made it like this gift box. Now I just want to copy one by one box come down, then come another box, then another box, and after that is blinking 50% online shopping, like that. So that's done. I had made it this box in shape. Okay, so I have just take these box in 3 times to recopy in separate layers. So this is in shape. I have to be just convert into the symbols. That's we have to go in modify, and these are symbols. So now I have just select this and press F8 to convert to the symbol. So for that, first I have take a graphic and OK it. Same thing, I have just copy and paste into another layer which I have already made the gift box one. So first I have just log and copy in this, paste into place from where I had copied this one. Now I have just scale it by using the free transform tool, or either press a Q. With shift I have just scale it and fix up the position, but I have just keep it like this. Again I have just copy, paste, and I just lock and paste in another gift box layer, paste in this. Then I have just scale to make it a more little bit small, like this. I'll just take a background layer, and the gift line and the pattern is always to above, and behind that I'll just keep this gift box 3. Okay, so gift 1 box is bottom one. I just locked it and I just unlocked my 2 boxes, and 2 boxes I'll select and take it out of the stage. So I'll just select first box, and I see when I'll have to start. So from last I just keep all the frames to be animate last 51. So I just keep F5 for frame, F5 for frames, because animation is based on the movement or the changes in the object on holding inside the keyframes. Okay, so animation is based on the keyframes, and keyframes based on the frames, which is holding the transformation and editing every keyframe by keyframes. So initially I just keep this frame last till end. I just want to animate till 51 frames, as I already defined that 24 FPS is the speed of the animation. Now the whole ad will be the 2.1 second. Okay, your ad should be at least 2 seconds to 3 seconds is more, and your ad should be like 2 seconds, 3 seconds should be understand the usual what you are exactly doing with your animation, what you have to be convey your message from the ad. So this box, it should be animate from after this one, after 5th. So Keep in mind my pattern should be always to be 51. So my pattern layer, select first keyframe, and 51 I press F5. This, you see this frame with the blank rectangle, this is a frame, and this is a rectangle with the black dot, this is a keyframe. Okay, so select and go to the according to your where you want to be keyframe. So keyframe shortcut is F6, and take it down where you want to just put. I'll just put a little bit here. And for transformation, as I told that you can scale according to the distribution point. I just change the distribution point to the bottom and just give a transformation like this. If two keyframes have a more distance, that means your animation will play slow. So you have to be how much you want fast. According to that, you can keep it. So I just keep back on 10 and 15 F6. Again, it's coming same position. How you analyze that what was the exact position? For that we have to be on the onion skin. This is what show you the transparency of your keyframes. I just put it all from 1 to 50. So if I just see my gift box tool, so I just keep it 5. From 5 is this, and from 10 is this, and my 15 is this. So from 10 I can use my rulers, then guidelines to identify where is that exactly. So according to that, on 15 I reset my position. So exactly it just come on this reset. After that I just go select these keyframes, right click, create a classical tool. So this is a dash dash, that means at the last there is no keyframe which is recording the another transformation. So it is like 1, 2, 3. So it is what animation. Now next is gift box my 3. I keep it my frame F5. Now I'll go my second box would move from the end of the last. Then F6 for when you select the whole keyframe and press the F6 for keyframe, everywhere, every frames, it become the keyframes. So be sure. So you should to be like 15. Now my frame is selected, F6. Then I make the difference like 5 frames. So 15 to 20. I get down, just take it down over there. Either you can use arrow or shift arrow, or you can just directly do move over there. Then again you have to be change the resolution point and then scale it. But before you have to be make the keyframes and scale it. You can off the onion skin. Then F6 on 25. Then it's go back my position, so where I want. Then same thing. Select the keyframes with the shift, right click, classical tool. Good. Then you can see your animation. Press enter. Wow, that's great. Now we go for I just locked it because I don't want to disturb this thing. I go for automatic seal text. Yeah. So that should be start from another 25. Right click, insert keyframe. Now my text with text tool, click 50% online, sorry, online shopping, online shop, yeah. Then select, go to the characters and paragraph and property bar palettes is align center. Change the font, what do you want exactly? Something bold, clean black, yeah. Then I go for my line space between, yeah, that's one. And I change my color, which color I want to be highlighted, easily to visible by clients. That's okay. Then I go for my Q or free transform, just rotate it, yeah. So this one. That's cool. I keep it on position. The first text and same thing, I'll just make it copy because both of tags are moving at the same time. Now select both of them and just clean out of my stage. Boom. Second keyframe. Then it's gone back. Yeah. After that, I just want to be like, you know, F6 every 2 frames, F6, sorry, F6, sorry, F6, F6, it's amazing. Then I go for F5, it's supposed to remain, if not, we record any transformation or edit. Okay, put it in frame. That was the last animation. From this, I just want to create a blinking effect. So what the keyframe is, record my position. I just delete, simply I just delete. It's become a blank because there is no fill, there is no fill dot, right? So like this, this is a blink, 2 times blink. Then I go for my right click, classical 2, I can enter. Yes, that's good. If I want to, you know, just move towards, like I can go for just F5. I just simply select and press F5. Just go. That's really slow. Can add the between of things. Again, you want to just keep F6 and just delete. I keep in. Then you want to back. You don't want to just, even you have to just select and delete. Is it okay? Otherwise, the better thing, you have to select this and press Shift F5. Right? And you can just enter it. That's what I want. I hope you can understand. And you want to be test in executive frame, you have to be just control or test. It's become a HDRL file, that is a shockwave file. It is only to be playing flash player or something like that. Clear? That's cool. Okay, another thing is scene. So I have go window, there is a scene. You can just This is basically used for you can use for the website, but it's not too cool to use in making a website page to page. It's basically for those who are making a 2D animations. So I'll just delete my second one. This is really my one. Okay. Or you can shortcut is Control Enter for test movie. Yes, that's it. Okay, I have set my so again I'll just after making the keyframes. You don't need to again and again setting the keyframes. You can easily just copy frames and then select, right click, and there is a paste and overwrite frames. So what you did last, it always took on there. So there's no need to be or you can just right click, convert to clear frame. So I just want a clear frame. Yeah, that would be nice. That's good. Okay guys, you hope you can understand how to animate the things. For queries, please contact us on info@aonlinetraining.com. Have a nice day.